of you. Students, in previous lecture we study about the lesson number 2. The lesson name is part of a computer. So first of all I have one question. Tell me which parts of a computer. So the main functions of a computer are input, processing, output. Okay, you know that which are the input devices means that the keyboard, mouse. Then processing units are the CPU means C for central, P for processing, U for unit, central processing unit. Then output devices, our third type is output, third function is output, and output devices are the monitor and printer. Okay, so students, today we will learn about the main point input devices. Okay, so first of all we study about the keyboard. Keyboard. You like this. This is the structure of a keyboard. Okay, this is the structure of a keyboard. Already you know that what is the keyboard, and you looking in every or each place of official works. We use the computers and we use the keyboard. Okay, we use the keyboard for inputting the data, and keyboard is also called the input devices. So the keyboard and the mouse are used to enter data to computer, and so they are called the input devices. जो कीबोर्ड आणि माउस आहे तो काय करतो, कम्प्युटर मध्ये डाटा एंटर करतो. That's why this is called the input devices. So first of all we will study about the keyboard. The keyboard is a flat rectangular plastic board. The keyboard is a flat rectangular plastic board with many buttons. On each. These buttons are called the keys. जो कीबोर्ड आहे तो असा रेक्टँग्युलर आहे, फ्लॅट आहे आणि प्लास्टिकचा आहे. ओके, त्याचं स्ट्रक्चर कसं आहे, रेक्टँग्युलर आहे, प्लास्टिकचा आहे, त्याच्यावरती भरपूर कीज प्रेझेंट आहेत, त्याचे बटन्स प्रेझेंट आहेत, त्याला काय म्हणतात, कीज असं म्हणतात. देर आर मोर दॅन 100 कीज ऑन द कीबोर्ड. सम ऑफ दीज कीज आर, म्हणजे 100 पेक्षा सुद्धा जास्त कीज याच्यावरती आहेत. सो दीज कीज आर द फर्स्ट इज द लेटर्स की A to Z. A to Z letters key are present on the keyboard. The number keys 1 to 9. So 1 to 9 number keys are present on a keyboard. Then mathematical signs on the keyboard shows the mathematical signs like the plus, minus, star for multiplication or for division. Okay. So fourth is a punctuation mark. So on the keyboard always shows the punctuation marks. So which punctuation marks? So punctuation marks are the comma, full stop. These are the punctuation marks. Okay, and fifth point is the some other signs like the and, percentage, like this. Percentage and at the rate, less than, greater than. Okay, these signs are shows on a keyboard. Then data entered with the help of keyboard can be seen on the monitor. आणि कीबोर्डच्या मदतीने डाटा आपण काय करतो, मॉनिटर वरती शो करू शकतो. When you press the letter key or a number key on the keyboard, it appears at a specific place on the screen. So the keyboard is connected to the CPU box with the cable wire. With the help of cable wire, also keyboard is connected with the CPU box, means that the central processing unit. Okay, so second point is first is the keyboard, second is a mouse. So the mouse is a small plastic device with the 2 or 3 buttons on it. It is kept and moved on the mouse pad. The mouse is a small plastic devices with the 2 or 3 buttons, means that on the mouse the 2 or 3 buttons are present. माउस जो आहे त्याच्यावरती 2 ते 3 बटन्स काय असतात प्रेझेंट असतात and it is kept and moved on a mouse pad. आणि तो माउस पॅडवरून आपल्याला काय होतं, मूव करता येतो. The mouse is used to point to a particular place on the screen and so it is also known as the pointing device. The mouse is also called the pointing device. Okay, so next, nobody all the instructions or commands are present on the screen of the computer. If you want to give a particular command to the computer, you just have to point the mouse on that command and press or click the mouse button. The mouse is concerned to the CPU box with a cable. Means that with the help of cable, the mouse is connected to the CPU box. Okay, CPU means the central processing unit. Okay, so holding the mouse, how we hold the mouse? Place your right palm on the mouse in such a way that your fingerprint is on the left button and the middle finger is on the right button. So first upon you look at on a blackboard. This is a mouse, okay, and then here this is a mouse, okay, and on this mouse we place our hand. This is the right button and this is the left button. This is the right and this is the left. Okay, so see, place your right palm on the mouse in such a way that your forefinger is on the left button and the middle finger is on the right button. जे मधलं बटन आहे ते राईट वर येतं आणि फोरफिंगर जे आहे ते लेफ्ट वर येतं. Then the bottom on the remaining two fingers hold the mouse on either side. आणि जे बाकीचे फिंगर्स आहेत त्याने जो आपला थंब आहे तो काय करायचा, माउस होल्ड अप करण्यासाठी आपल्याला हेल्प होते. Remember, you normally use only the left mouse button. When you quickly press and release the mouse button, you hear a click sound. तुम्ही जेव्हा पटकन क्लिक करता आणि परत रिलीज करता बटन, त्यावेळी तुम्हाला काय होतं, क्लिक साऊंड ऐकायला येतो. And so the action of pressing the mouse button is known as the clicking. What is meant by clicking? Clicking means action of pressing a mouse button is known as the clicking. Then third is the CPU. Third is the CPU. CPU means C for central, P for processing and U for unit. Central processing unit. Okay, so the vertical or horizontal box that you see next to the monitor is known as the CPU box. This is because the CPU is fixed inside the box. This box is called the CPU box. This box is called the CPU box. Okay, and in this box the CPU is present. Then CPU box contains the CPU and many other parts that are needed to run a computer. Computer run होण्यासाठी जे महत्त्वाचे पार्ट्स आहेत ते आणि CPU हे दोन्ही म्हणजे ह्या गोष्टी काय असतात त्या CPU बॉक्स मध्ये प्रेझेंट असतात. As you know, when we enter data into the computer, the CPU processes it and gives the output. ज्यावेळी तुम्ही डाटा इनपुट करता, माउस आणि जो आपला माउस आहे तो आणि कीबोर्ड यांच्यामध्ये तुम्ही डाटा तुम्ही इनपुट करता, त्यानंतर त्याच्यावरती प्रोसेस करण्याचं काम सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग युनिट मीन्स दॅट द CPU करतो आणि परत ते काय करतो, आउटपुटही द्यायला मदत करतो. The monitor, keyboard, mouse and the printer are connected to the CPU box with the cables. Means that with the help of cables, the monitor, keyboard, mouse and the printer are connected to the CPU box. Okay. So students, today's homework of subject computer. Write the information and diagrams about the input devices. Okay, thank you.